In this video, we're going to see a CasaOS review. CasaOS is an open-source lightweight platform that provides a graphical user interface for managing Docker containers and home servers. Aimed at simplifying self-hosting, it offers an initiative dashboard, an app store, and system monitoring tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. CasaOS offers a clean and intuitive dashboard. It includes a curated selection of popular self-hosted applications like Jellyfin. It's built around Docker. CasaOS enables users to deploy and manage containers, features a built-in file manager, and allows users to cap CPU and RAM usage per application. It's easy to use, has a quick setup, an active deployment, and it's lightweight. But it has limited advanced features, App Store limitations, backup solutions, and security concerns. So CasaOS stands out as a beginner-friendly solution for those looking to delve into self-hosting and home server management. Its intuitive interface and seamless Docker integration make it accessible, while its lightweight nature ensures compatibility with various hardware setups. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.